is fixed or true. Every loss becomes a star. Every shift rewrites my heart. I'm changing in the in-between. Now I see what it can mean. If I break, I rearrange. This is how we learn to change.